If your belly feels heavy, your body feels stiff, and you want a gentle workout that is easy to follow, this 15-minute Tai Chi routine is for you. Today, we will use slow, flowing movements to wake up the waist, core, hips, shoulders, and legs without jumping or equipment. These exercises help support belly fat burning, improve circulation, loosen the joints, and bring fresh energy back into your body. Move with me until the end and feel your body become lighter, warmer, and more alive. Three, two, one. Rest. Exercise 2. Waist turning cloud hands. 3, 2, 1. Go. This exercise helps loosen the waist, shoulders, arms, and upper back through smooth side-to-side rotation. As the hands circle and the body turns, the core muscles, obliques, and spine are gently activated, helping improve flexibility and posture. The legs, hips, knees, and ankles also work quietly to keep the body stable and balanced. This movement is very useful for improving coordination, easing stiffness, and making the whole body feel more relaxed and mobile. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Exercise 3. Alternating overhead reach with waist support. 3, 2, 1. Go. This exercise helps open the shoulders, chest, ribs, waist, and spine through a gentle overhead reaching motion. Rest. Exercise 4. Alternating knee lift with waist touch. 3, 2, 1. Go. This exercise helps activate the lower abs, waist, hips, and thighs through alternating knee lifts. The arm position also engages the shoulders, upper back, and core, helping improve balance and body coordination. It is a great movement for waking up the midsection, supporting belly fat burning, and making the body feel lighter and more energized. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Exercise 5. Forward reach and back stretch. 3, 2, 1. Go. This exercise helps open the shoulders, upper back, waist, and spine through a gentle forward reaching motion. As the body folds and lengthens, it also works the hips, hamstrings, and core, helping release stiffness and improve posture. This movement is great for easing tension in the back, waking up the midsection, and making the body feel lighter and more refreshed. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Exercise 6. Overhead reach with alternating knee lift. 3, 2, 1. Go. This exercise helps activate the lower abs, hips, thighs, and core through a smooth alternating knee lift. The overhead reach and arm sweep also work the shoulders, chest, and upper back while improving balance and posture. It is a great movement for supporting belly fat burning, boosting circulation, and leaving the body feeling more awake and energized. Rest.
Exercise 7. Overhead lift with horse stance flow.
3, 2, 1, go.
This exercise helps activate the legs, hips, glutes, and core as the body opens, lifts, and sinks into a gentle horse stance. The rising arms also work the shoulders, chest, and upper back, while the lowering phase engages the waist and lower body. It is a great movement for improving circulation, supporting belly fat burning, and helping the body feel stronger and more energized.
Rest. Exercise 8. Alternating palm push stance. 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise strengthens the thighs, hips, and glutes as the body shifts into a wider stance and presses outward. The forward palm works the shoulders, chest, and upper back, while the hand placed behind the body helps open the torso and train better posture. It is a smooth, grounding movement that improves coordination, body control, and steady balance. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 9. Wrist rotation with side reach. 3, 2, 1. Go. This exercise helps loosen the wrists, shoulders, and upper back, while gently guiding the body to reach from side to side. The shifting motion also engages the waist, core, and hips, helping the body move with better control and coordination. It is a calming movement that improves joint mobility, lightens stiffness, and makes the whole body feel more fluid. Rest.
Exercise 10. Cross step sweep and lift.
3, 2, 1, go.
This exercise gently works the waist, hips, thighs, and lower legs through a smooth cross step with a low sweep and upward lift. Reaching down toward the front foot helps stretch the hamstrings and lower back, while lifting the arms overhead opens the shoulders and chest. The flowing change from low to high also improves coordination, circulation, and overall body lightness.
Rest. Exercise 11. Overhead fold and open sweep. 3, 2, 1, go. This exercise lengthens the spine, shoulders, waist, and inner thighs as the body rises up and folds forward. The downward reach gently stretches the lower back, hamstrings, and hips, while the opening sweep helps the chest and upper back feel freer. It is a soothing movement that releases tightness, encourages circulation, and leaves the body feeling lighter and more refreshed. Exercise 12. Cross-step arm sweep. 3, 2, 1. Go. This exercise helps mobilize the shoulders, chest, hips, and legs through a smooth crossing step with a backward arm sweep. The shifting weight works the thighs, calves, and core, helping the body stay steady and well coordinated. It also encourages a more open posture and gives the whole body a light, flowing feel. Rest.
Exercise 13. Hip sway with up and down arm swing.
3, 2, 1. Go.
This exercise helps loosen the hips, waist, lower back, shoulders, and arms through a gentle swaying rhythm. The side-to-side hip movement lightly engages the obliques and core, supporting a more active waistline. The arm swing adds flow to the upper body, improves circulation, and makes the whole body feel more relaxed and refreshed.
Rest.
Exercise 14. Horse stance torso turn.
3, 2, 1. Go.
This exercise helps strengthen the thighs, hips, and glutes as you lower into a steady horse stance. The turning motion works the waist, obliques, and core, while the arms and upper back stay active to guide the movement. It is a good exercise for improving trunk control, building lower body stability, and helping the waist move more freely.
Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Final exercise. Rising fist power.
3, 2, 1. Go.
This exercise works the shoulders, arms, waist, core, hips, and legs as one fist lifts upward with steady body control. The upward punch opens the chest, wakes up the midsection, and brings a strong, energized finish to the whole routine.
Take one deep breath. Feel your body lighter and warmer. And let this 15-minute Tai Chi practice become your daily step toward a slimmer waist, better energy, and a more youthful body.